see if I can get my own stuff to my cancel card.
All right. Say, what's good?
What's good, girl?
So, okay.
What's up?
Who say little mama?
Nah.
Who say little mama? I need to start big dude. So we got the money in the hood. Know what you be doing? Who you be doing like that? Who you be doing like that? Oh, this why you come make my videos that I hear. We got some actors out there, some characters for real. We gonna be straight. Your grandma know on YouTube? Nope. She gonna watch my videos. They go there. Oh yeah. They go there, motherfucker. Let them out. Then grandma, let them out.
Yeah, you can hear my car.
Hey.
Monkey just
I'm waiting now, huh?
want to drive my car a little bit around.
You just want to drive it around?
Yeah, I just want to drive my car a little bit.
You want to?
I'm get TikTok.
We can do that for real.
I gotta get TikTok.
We can do that for real.
I gotta get TikTok.
TikTok.
TikTok. What y'all gonna say?
Let him out, grandma. Let him out, grandma. Uh-oh. It been like that. That little motherfucker clean, dude. That bitch shit done something right. Yeah, I'm gonna show them how we be. Where we going through all the flood. City flood. No, we're behind it. That nigga came and caught us, didn't he? They been running like 3 days straight, didn't
I wonder went to the side.
I gotta show them what we going through right now. He got one right here. Look at them. She look bad, terrible. Look at this. This water gonna flood our whole city, bro. Man, what they doing? Man, show them how to get through it. Look, it's not that hard, bro. Come on, Jimmy. Let's float. Cuz on the curves, most of it. Cuz gonna start holding up traffic. Look at the bridge, man. Hey, this ain't even it, too. Like, it ain't even done raining. It's gonna be raining for like another week and a half. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, we still on the curb? Gotta show them the other one. Now, watch this. Look at them. It wasn't as bad as it was at first, though. Yeah, see, them wasn't that bad. It was way worse. There was folks stopping, turning around. Oh, water almost got up. That's terrible. That's terrible. So I done made it back to the house. Come to find. Who did? Who the fuck is it? Alright, y'all, look, I'm back at the house. I'm here by myself. My mama then went and got a room at a hotel tonight. Man, it was flooding so hard that my power cut off. So now I'm here. But shit. Stay tuned. I'm gonna go to the hotel a little later on. Let y'all see how they go. What's going on, YouTube? This day 2. That's what we got right now. We got little Jimmy. That little yellow ladybug. Let me get over, son. Let me get over. We got little Jimmy, the yellow ladybug. We're on the way back to his crib. We just got our work. Yeah, I'm gonna hit you, bro. Come on, Jay. You got to, man. You got to. Nah, look. You good. That's 5 feet right there. You ain't gotta dive, you know. Just hop in there. Let's see my mom how to swim. Just hop in there. I'm fucking cold. That's what I said. Let's teach my mama how to swim. Look up. Bro, you scared, bro. If I had my whole camera, I'd go throw his ass in there. Say, gang, man, y'all hear these lame man nigga. Look at these lame man nigga. Look who moving on that lame man nigga. We told them there was some hoes coming to the pool. Look at that goof ass. Look at that goof ass. Nigga, above me, bro. Come on now.
I'm finna go with your mama, bro.
You don't fuck with shit. I know, nigga. What the fuck you saying? Say what they talking about here, bro.
They thought they were for the pull up. This day for the come get some hoes feet. Look at these feet.
Bro, this nigga, I had to call at school today.
He was excited, bro.
you
Get
was-
back. Hey, look at this man. He excited. Y'all not gonna get no hoes just like that. Y'all not gonna get no bitches just like that. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. You better call on God, nigga.
Hey, babe. If you
Wait.
my business,
Come on, man. What you gotta say, bro?
right now, bro.
We all are.
But I'm gonna put on my pants. Hey, what you call him? A gay? Like, what you call him? A faggot, man. No, a faggot, bro. You made a faggot.
I got brand new there.
You made a faggot.
What count when they look at this ugly man? This nigga ugly as hell. Nigga ugly as hell, bro.
I mean, shit, it wasn't nothing to do anyway. This one I said.
Put some towel. Tell him.
You was just a little ass girl with a little big ass y'all fucking with, bro.
Huh?
No, bro. You was a bro. When we drove by, it was a little ass like girl, like 9 years old with a pink swimsuit. Like he was looking, bro. I don't know he's talking about. Hey, ain't gonna lie. He got some motion, they ain't gonna lie.
Terrifying.
What's up? I'm just typing shit.
She said she wants you to beat her in a backstroke.
You know what we did? Man, I can't get that bitch on CTG. I'm chucking. You know
Oh,
what I'm saying?
God.
It's too good on Jesus. They ain't gotta play with God.
Turn me up then.
Stop posting.
Well, I post it.
I get
You
that
gonna
nigga.
be
He
your
posted
mama?
up. I can post it up on the block. What camera on the nigga?
But you gonna be
Look at his hair.
Excuse me, what's his name? Marquise. What your friends? No, never. Because your mom call you Marquise. What they call you? What
Nigga boy.
We call him faggot.
I don't like that.
Man, why they try to troll the man, bro?
Now we call him.
Man, what the fuck they got going?
We call him.
Oh, no. Shut up. You say with your bun, because you say Marquise, you two, what y'all call him? What's his name?
I call him gay boy.
Okay, what you call him?
For me?
Oh, you at the camera. You asked me, who are you? You should be asking me, can I go you can record me? Nigga, you didn't even ask me. I'm gonna give him a chance to be in the accident.
Ooh, see it all belong. Let go. Let me see some bad strokes. Hey, let me see some.
No, stop throwing yours. Oh, no, he gave his name up. He's scared to say his name. He got somebody above. He said, oh, no, I'm wrong. And then you call him gay when you gonna fight you.
Chill out. Hey, chill.
Ain't no way in the Lord's name. Ready, set, go.
Hey, Marquis, he pushed off.
No,
He
he's
pushed
trying
off.
to do it.
He used his
Mom's gonna
foot.
beat his ass.
Hey, you got it on camera notes.
Ooh, my fault. Marquis won though. Ma, you won?
You don't even
ain't finna get in that water and play with them, cause get what? He been pushed off. He been pushed off and took off on her.
Tell them what's going on. Tell them what I did.
Put your feet up.
I don't want to
Put
say
your
that.
feet up.
Why he ain't let her get in?
Jay ain't got no gas.
Because it's so filthy. It's so filthy, cause get what? He know you.
I'm finna go buy some.
Chucky, don't talk to him.
That's why he ain't let her get in.
Huh? I'm finna go buy some as soon as I pull up.
They get Will Smith my ass.
He said he will.
I hit the dead. They together.
I guess that like that. Shut up. We know. Shut up. It's not that serious. We gonna go all buy y'all pizza. But what my boy now? He beastie.
You don't know him. I've been knowing this man since he was a legit.
But if you can tell me a stranger and what his name is or call me something for him, and I'm a stranger, you call him that. He don't like that shit. I'm gonna say something. I don't care what he don't like. I care what you don't care, but I like what I care. I don't like what he don't care. What he think don't
Ooh,
care.
that's his girlfriend.
His mama. He's trying to Chucky. You know what's up, Chucky? It's funny and young.
He didn't stump on me.
Okay, like my cigarette. That's what's even.
It look good, Smoker.
He said your name. You ain't gotta speak your name again. He said your name. You said what you call him. I left it alone. You ain't say nothing. It don't matter what you said. You left it alone. You told me what you called him. You left it alone.
Are you from here?
No, I'm not. Bitch, you know I'm not from. Sorry. You know I'm not from here. Now you can smack me because I said I'm sorry. No, I'm
Slap
not. You
him.
know I'm not from here because the way I talk.
Slap him.
I came to you next. He had the camera and he had to sign a non-disclosure without you for me to record this shit. But this shit is funny. But it doesn't matter. I know his name. His mama told me. It's Bernard what his mama told me. It's what y'all called me. I'm on this. You moving? You moving? You moving? That's what's scary. So was you moving? When I came right there the first time, you moved. My nigga got on your ass. Sorry, mama, you cut me for this shit. My nigga got on your ass.
Who got on my ass?
My nigga, he got the food. The second time. Y'all sports that
This nigga, him right here?
Now he don't know who you are.
Yeah, he don't know me now.
Good cousin.
Oh man. Jay, how you feel about that? Hey.
I am.
Cut this shit.
I'm not the fan, bro. You want to smoke a blunt? I'll give you guys to roll up. I don't know. Oh, okay, well sit down. So you ain't got to run from. You've been running from me. Why you? This my thing. Why you keep running? I ain't gonna have any more want to sit down. Why you keep running?
I feel great.
What?